Close your eyes gently. Take a deep breath and surrender yourself to the soft embrace of tranquility. For a higher quality of sleep, a clearer mind, a relaxed and rejuvenated body, and most importantly, a peaceful heart, we invite you to the healing sounds of music and water. Let the harmoniously united frequencies, the whispers of nature, and a centuries-old healing tradition retune your soul. The healing effect of music on the human soul is as old as human history itself. Great medical and philosophical scholars like Avicenna and Al-Farabi proved centuries ago that sounds create profound effects on the human soul, increasing a person's mental and spiritual strength to provide inner balance and a joy for life. The ones who applied this universal power in the most perfect and systematic way across the world were the Ottoman physicians. In magnificent centers like the Sultan Bayezid Darüşşifa in Edirne, guests were rejuvenated and healed in a holistic atmosphere, combining music, the sound of water, and beautiful scents. In traditional Ottoman medicine, the soothing, healing tone of water was generally obtained from courtyard fountains, calming the listener's mind through architectural acoustics. However, we are a community that does not limit itself. We lean on tradition, but look to the future, aiming to further develop this ancient method. Therefore, we do not settle only for the sound of a fountain. We expand this legacy using the possibilities offered by modern techniques. We blend the slowing rhythm of ocean waves, the whisper of a relaxing spring rain, or the roaring of a stream from the depths of a forest, with various Turkish makams to serve different healing purposes. In this acoustic therapy we developed, every makam touches a different point in the human body and awakens a different beauty in the soul. To refresh your mind and focus on the day, Isfahan Makam. It opens the mind, increases intelligence, revives memories, and gives you a sense of confidence. To fall into a deep and restful slumber, Uşşak, Makam. It relaxes your body, takes away your fatigue, and instills joy in your soul. To shake off the weight of the day and relieve your heart, Hüseyni Makam. It balances the heart rhythm and spreads a feeling of calmness and comfort through your body. And for inner serenity and deep physical relaxation, Rehavi Makam. It renews you by adding a sense of eternity and spaciousness to your soul. To get the maximum benefit from this holistic acoustic therapy, we highly recommend listening to our content with high-quality headphones or a good stereo sound system. Since every mood has different needs, you will find special playlists on our channel, carefully blended with different makams and diverse nature sounds. With specific lists like pre-sleep Uşşak and rain therapy, Isfahan Makam, and stream for focus or peace and relaxation, you can instantly start your own healing session. Moreover, in the description section of each video, we have prepared comprehensive guides detailing the most effective times to listen to that specific makam and how you can benefit from these contents step by step. Just as in the historical healing centers, lie on your back, clear your mind, and surrender yourself to the serene flow of nature. So, who are we? We are volunteers who have come together under the name Darushifa Acoustics without any commercial motives. Our greatest dream is to reintroduce this thousands of years old, side effect-free healing method back to the modern world and share it for free with the entire globe via YouTube and Spotify. We hope that more people will recognize the healing power of music and water, turn to this field, and help this ancient tradition come back to life. To support us on this voluntary journey, and to be notified of the new healing sessions we will compile under different playlists over time, please subscribe to our channel. By sharing our videos with your loved ones who you think need this piece, you can also be instrumental in letting healing grow in waves. May the resonance of water and sound be a source of healing for us all.